my channel. This year, the Boston Bruins are celebrating 100 years. So to help kick off their Centennial season, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated a cake that looks like their Centennial jersey. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
For this cake, I baked my chocolate cake in a 9x13 pan. Then leveled it and kept the hump. I spread a layer of vanilla buttercream that I dyed yellow so the cake and buttercream match the Bruins colors. Then I placed the cake hump on top and began to trim. To turn this cake into the shape of a jersey, I rounded one of the small ends so it looks like the folded part and shaped the other small end to look like the collar of the jersey. And for the long ends of the cake, I carefully carved indents to make it look like the folded parts. Usually I dirty ice the cakes with buttercream, but this time I decided to use chocolate ganache. By using ganache, it helps lock in the crumbs and make the shape more definite. I placed it in the fridge to chill while I colored the fondants. There are 3 different jersey designs for the Centennial season, but I decided to go with this design. To get the color of the main part of the jersey, I added a small amount of ivory food coloring to get that light beige off-white color. Then I dyed some fondant in a golden yellow and dark brown for the detailed parts. After the cake had time to chill in the fridge, I rolled out the off-white fondant and covered the entire cake. Using my hands, a bench scraper, and some of my decorating tools, I smoothed out the fondant all over the surface and trimmed the excess. Now it's time to add in the details. I first rolled out a rounded piece of the yellow fondant and placed it onto the collar side. Then I rolled out a long strip and placed it along the edge of that other piece. This will create some dimension and act as the seam part of the jersey's collar. I added small strips and placed them onto the bottom half of the long sides to represent the stripe details that the jersey has. Then I went back to the top of the shirt and added more of the yellow fondant to the upper shoulder parts and trimmed away the excess. Next is time to add the brown fondant details. Similar to decorating with the yellow fondant, I rolled, cut, and placed fondant strips onto the cake, matching the jersey's design. With some extra off-white fondant, I created the part that has the eyelets, poked the holes on either side, and ambitiously laced a strip of fondant through the holes as if it was an actual lace. I then placed that onto the cake, arranged the lace, and started working on the logo. I cut out a stencil of the Centennial logo, one with the details and one with just the B. For the part of the logo with the details, I rolled out a piece of brown fondant and carefully carved out the shape. Then I repeated the process with the yellow fondant to create the B. For some extra details, I cut out some black fondant to create the NHL logo, then painted the design with some white food coloring before adding it to the cake. Lastly, I painted the yellow fondant with gold luster dust and painted 1924 to the logo. And that's how I made a Bruins hockey jersey cake to celebrate the Boston Bruins' centennial season.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making this Centennial jersey cake and I hope you did as well. I was actually listening to a Bruins game while I was working on it. And the best part about this cake is that you can change the jersey design to root for your favorite hockey team. If you recreate this jersey cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your Centennial jersey cake, and happy 100 years Boston Bruins. Bye!